know what, Fink? I've been thinking.
Yeah?
I got an idea that'll make us a fortune.
What's that, Buzz?
I told you 1,000 times, don't trump my ace. Now, when was I? Oh, yeah. We're gonna get us a talking dog.
Gee, there ain't too many around, Buzz.
Never mind that. You get us a dog, and I'll show you how to make him talk.
I got one, Buzz.
Shut up.
What you gonna do now, Buzz?
He's a runty-looking mutt. Hey, Mom, bring me that hat. Now then, you do the talking, and folks will think it's the dog. You get the picture?
Hey, wait a minute. What's my cut in this caper?
Don't worry. When I sell this talking dog for $50, I'll give you 2 bits.
Well, okay.
Now let's try it out. Ahem. Hello, faithful talking dog. How are you?
Fine. How are you?
Don't raise the hat. Now let's go. Oh, there's a live one. What's the matter, Gabby? You haven't said much lately.
I'm hot. Let's go home.
Hey, what's that? Did he talk?
Oh, yeah, talks all the time. But I gotta sell him. Me poor mother needs an operation.
I'm wise to your scheme. I'll bet you're a ventriloquist.
Oh, no, pal. Look, I'll run around the corner, and you have a talk with a dog.
Okay, little doggy. Say something.
Hey, quit that bouncing around.
Heck, I wasn't bouncing around.
You gotta keep his hat on so's he don't catch cold.
Now, what do you have to say?
Well, my name is Gabby, and I'm 4 years old, and I wish yous would buy me and take me home.
Well, all right.
Okay, pal, pay me the $50.
How's about me 2 bits?
Hey, do you owe this dog 2 bits?
No, I don't. And if he was smart, he'd keep it under his hat.
Well, here's your new home, Gabby. What would you like to eat?
Cheese.
Huh? Well, I didn't know dogs like cheese.
Well, I do. I like cheese.
So, you're the one that's been talking.
Sure, chum. You've been taken. That dog can't speak a word. I wouldn't say that.
So you can talk.
Certainly. And I can sing, too, and dance.
Oh, boy, I'll make a fortune. Vaudeville, TV, Las Vegas.
Talking dog, box office smash?
Talking dog wows him on Broadway. I gotta get that dog back.
Thank you. And now, I would like to do a few impersonations.
This is another fine mess you've got us into, Stanley.
What a performer.
Ah, yes, my little chickadee. Yes, indeed.
Look, punk, you're in on this too. You gotta help me get that dog.
Oh, yeah? Well, where's me 2 bits?
Give him his 2 bits.
Stop the music. Stop the music. Ha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha-cha.
How's about me 2 bits?
From now on, Poochie, you're gonna wait for me.
I got my 2 bits.
Good night, Mrs. Calabash, wherever you are.